If you need to download your current data from Wise, follow these simple steps to ensure you have all the information you need. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Visit the Wise website or open the Wise app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in a menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Find data export options. In the account settings, search for options related to data management or privacy. Look for a section labeled Download your data or export account data. Step 4. Select data type and format. Choose the type of data you wish to download, such as transaction history or account statements. You may also be prompted to select a file format like CSV or PDF. Step 5. Confirm and download. After selecting your desired options, confirm your choices and initiate the download. The data will typically be sent to your email or downloaded directly to your device. Once you've completed these steps, you should have your Wise account data ready for review or storage.